Shalom, shalom, brothers and sisters. This is Wasilkamilbey coming at you. This is Shamstoppers. And this is like the part two of this brother's letter from Kentucky. And this is the response from the Jefferson County attorney. You know, and this goes out to that brother who said it was a letter reject. He can't read. Y'all gotta excuse him because that last letter that said they have no jurisdiction over this matter. And that was the executive branch. It ain't say none. We are rejecting what you're saying. You know what I'm saying? You know, some people can't read, can't comprehend, you know, but he hit me up, asked me a question. He didn't like my price for my question. So if you hit me up, that means you don't know. So how can you determine something on a letter and you don't know what it's saying your damn self? You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. So I know what these people are talking about. I know their language. No, I'm not a lawyer. I don't have to be a lawyer to, you know, read through bullshit and secret words that I already know what they mean. But anyway, check this out. Alright. This is what they're saying. You see what they're saying? So they know that they got correspondence, and that's what they doing. The title of this video is There Are No Honor Amongst Thieves. There's no honor amongst thieves. Check this out. The attorney original assigned to review your paternity case is out on medical leave. Wow. Okay, the attorney assigned to the circuit action remains the Title 4D attorney who secured the order of intervention on behalf of the Cabinet and Health and Family Services, Ms. Taylor. Wow. Since it appears your issue relies significantly upon the court's findings in the court action, I will assign Ms. Taylor to address all pleadings. You see? They throwing her ass up under the bus. Alright? Ain't no honor amongst thieves. We're gonna continue. I have had the opportunity to review the paternity file and the circuit court file together with your recent notices. I am not familiar with these notices pleadings in the context of the family action. Okay. Therefore, I would note as a point of reference the following. Your offspring was born out of wedlock. Okay, what you gotta do with that? Alright. That's the second. That's the sixth part two. That was number one. This is two. And this is what they go on and say how the paternity was filed. Your answer, you denied it. He denied it. You know what I'm saying? And it says, notices your scheduled testing date was sent to you by the office despite your initial request and the court order. You know what I'm saying? And it says that while the last date was pending, you appeared at this office and met with a senior caseworker. At this time, you signed an affidavit of father. What the fuck is that? Affidavit of father. This is what this is about. They throwing Miss Taylor ass up under the bus, okay? And I'm gonna show you why at the end of this letter. For all you people who cannot fucking read. Excuse me, ma'am. I know you said that you ain't want me to cuss anymore, but excuse me. I'm just being a man. I'm just being who I am. You know what I'm saying? As a result of your voluntary admission, child support is voluntary, okay? The case was assigned an off-docket pretrial conference, which you cannot have a trial in a civil matter. Alright? You failed to appear for the scheduled conference and was assigned for a hearing of court. At the time of the court hearing, you appear with a private counsel. Okay? The judgment of the paternity order of support was signed by you and your counsel. The record entered on such and such. Alright? That's his business. It was agreed at the time that the pay order was $450. You know what I'm saying? Temporary, you should file court action hearing, a motion for support was pending. It was further determined and agreed at this time, agreed that all issues regarding a permanent pay order as well as the determination of loans would be adjudicated in your circuit action. Alright, check this out. The temporary 2014 order appears to be very last entry in the paternity case until you file your recent notice. Aha. Recent notice, people. Just because they say notice don't mean it was a notice. Your circuit court action was filed by the assistance of your counsel. The cabinet was not initially party to the action as both parents were represented by private counsel. Alright, here it comes. This one's gonna get good. Miss Such and Such counsel withdrawn from the case, and her application for services and order granting the cabinet to intervene as the party record was entered 2015. See, they throwing her ass under the bus because that's her application for services, okay? It's a service. Again, it appears no additional actions or orders were entered between 2015 order intervention and your such and such on such and such. That's that paperwork, people. The arguments you have set forth appear to claim that a contract was blank. However, both judgment of attorney and certain court orders were entered as court orders while you were represented by counsel, which he is not represented by counsel anymore. So y'all ready for the help that we didn't even ask? They trying to give and throw Miss Taylor up under the bus? Because there's no honor amongst thieves. Your blank do not appear to set forth any type of request for relief that would be available in family court. However, it appears that you have asked to determine your child support arrearages and to reach a repayment agreement. Do you see that? We will therefore be happy to file a motion in Family Court Division 6 to schedule a hearing on the blank motion. We will attach our full audit of the account to the motion. It will then be up to the court if a hearing will be scheduled and what issues may addressed at that time. I have enclosed an update audit of your account that starts on 2014 run. People, look at this. We will therefore be happy to file a motion. This dude ain't even got a lawyer. They say they want to file a motion because they don't want to be held liable from being locked up. And y'all wondering, damn, what's this paperwork Wasilkamilbey and them got? You know what I'm saying? Look at that. CC. They throwing her on the bus, her under the bus, her under the bus. You know what I'm saying? Miss Collins is throwing these hoes up under the bus. Alright? For all you niggas that's jealous, in bitch mode, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, why you gonna be jealous? I can't help it. The Almighty Creator put a real guy in my midst, you know what I'm saying? Because I know it was wrong. Hey, I got his expertise and I put my writing down with the get down, you know what I'm saying, which I learned from paralegal studies, okay? Hey, I already told you, I take that back. We not the Chicago Bulls. We the goddamn Celtics. Alright? Y'all need help? Hit us up. Y'all see it for yourself. They will be happy to file a motion because all y'all don't have this type of paperwork, these responses these people giving y'all for the paperwork that we do. Y'all don't have that. We only have that because we do this paperwork and we make it work. Okay? And they want to work. They want to work with this brother. You know what I'm saying? They want to help him out. They giving him those people that was CC'd at the bottom, especially Miss Taylor, and she on paternity leave, giving her business out like that. Man, hit us up. We got some more proof, man. I'm finna go hard after this one. Peace.